Dear students, welcome to our HomeLearns class. Today in this class, you will learn the sums of the solutions of exercise 1.1, question 1 of chapter 1, class 11. So welcome again. It is the exercise 1.1, question 1, chapter 1. What is the question 1 of the chapter 1 of exercise 1.1? That which both the followings are the sets? Justify your answer. There are 9 parts, and I will solve here each and every part distinctly. First of all, let's summarize what is a set. Set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Well-defined collection of distinct objects. So based on this definition, let's solve the each and every part of question 1 of exercise 1.1 chapter 1, that is the sets. Let's come to the question. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Part 1 is collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. How many months in a year are beginning with the letter J? Like January, February. February is not starting from J. January, then June, then July. Except of these 3 months, there are no other months of any year has started from letter J. So we can say that J is a well-defined collection of objects because anyone can identify a month that belong to this collection. None can deny the fact that January, June, or July, only these 3 months of the year that start from J. So we can say it is a well-defined collection of objects. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J is well-defined collection of objects, as anyone can identify a month that belongs to this collection. Means collection means that start from J. So January, June, June, and July. These are the 3 months. We start from J. So hence this collection is a set. So we can say that collection for all months of a year that start from the letter J is a set because it is a well-defined object, well-defined collection of distinct objects. January, June, and July, this cannot be duplicated. Next question is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Is well-defined set? Like 10 most talented writers of India. From my point of view, there may be 10 others writer. From your point of view, there may be the 10 more writers, 10 talented writers of your choice. From others' point of view, if anybody is interested in mathematics, then the writers who write about the maths is favorite for him or her. But for a philosophy student, the writers of the philosophy subjects famous for him. If anybody is interested in literature, anybody is interested in entertainment, then from all others' point of view, the talented writers of India can be changed, can be duplicated. So it is not a well-defined collection. At criteria of determining as criteria of determining a writer talent may vary from person to person. So this collection is not a set. From my point of view, writers may be different because I like poetry. But if anybody like literature, then the writers who write literature is the famous for him or her. So this is not a well-defined collections. Team of 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world. Team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. If anybody is a cricket lover, then there are so many teams in the world, that is the 15 or the 16 teams. For each and every, there may be the different favorite batsmen. Like if I like Virat Kohli, I like MS Dhoni, I like Sachin Tendulkar, but it's not necessary that you like the same set of cricketers. Team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world is also not a well-defined collection of not a well-defined collection, because as the criteria of determining a batsman talent may vary from person to person, so this collection is not a set. Collection of all boys in your class. If there are 15 boys in your class, we can say that the collection of all boys in your class is a well-defined collection, as you can easily identify who belongs to your class or who belongs to other class or who belongs to this collection. So we can say that the collection of all boys is a well-defined collection, because you can define if there are 14 students in your class and out of those 14, only 8 are the boys. So those collection of boys in your class is a well-defined collection of set. The boys of all boys in your class. Collection of all natural numbers less than 100. It is also a well-defined collection. Why? Because none can change the natural numbers less than 100. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All those are the natural numbers. But if anybody say that 101 is a natural number, but that is the greater than 100, but less than 100, this is the collection of unique objects. So hence we can say that it is also a well-defined collection. Next one is collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand is one writer. The novels, collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand is well-defined collections, because we can easily identify a book that belongs to this collection. Collection means the novels of Munshi Premchand. We can easily identify. It is also a well-defined collection. A collection of all even integers. We can easily identify an integer that belongs to this collection. So this collection is also a set, because integers, all even integers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and up to this. So these are the collection of all even integers. The even numbers are the numbers that is divided by 2 only. So the collection of all even integers is also a well-defined collection, because we easily identify that this number, that is the 2 belongs to collection of all even integers. 4 belongs to this, 6 belongs to this, 8 belongs to, and 10 belongs to. Next is the collection of questions in this chapter. Collections. Hence, again, we can easily identify that there are 9 questions, 9 parts of question number 1. So we can easily identify all these 9. There are no 10, no 11, no 5, no 4, only 9. So we can easily identify. The collection of questions in this chapter is a well-defined collection, as we definitely identify question that belongs to this chapter. Hence, this collection is a set. Collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Most dangerous animals. From my point of view, dangerous animals are different. From others' point of view, dangerous elements are different, because the people who play with lions can't say that lion is the dangerous, but for others, some other animals can be dangerous. The collection of most dangerous element is not a well-defined collection, as the criteria for determining the dangerousness of an element can vary from person to person. So this collection is not a set. The set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Keep in mind only thing that this collection of distinct objects, and the well-defined collections means that considered only in a one group, or that belongs to a particular group, like that all books written by writer Munshi Premchand. So that is the well-defined collection. All boys of your class is a well-defined collection of natural number less than 100. Collection of all even integers is also a well-defined collection. Number of days starting from S is also a well-defined collections. So I hope you understand this exercise, and you also understand the basic concept of the well-defined collections. In the next video, I will solve question 2. Till then, wait for that solution. Thank you. Keep watching HomeLearns. Thanks.